Good evening, good evening, good evening. I hope everyone is having a fantastic evening. Welcome to another episode of Goose Crypto Garage with me and Mr. Christian. Today is Monday, February 24th. I don't mean the dates, so it's been a crazy day. Wow, what an insane day today. Hope everyone's having a fantastic, blessed Monday, but today has been a roller coaster.
What a day. What up, Garage Gang? It has been insane.
Well, let's break down some of the biggest moves we had in the market today so we can stay ahead of the game, right?
Yeah.
Why does it feel like Bitcoin looks like a fighter who just got KO'd today?
Yeah. Literally
I mean,
just
I feel like
dropped.
I was in the ring too. I called Christian earlier today. I feel like I got KO'd and I'm barely getting up. They're putting a little powder under my nose right now.
Yeah, I unplugged the thing because it was just all in red. I didn't want to see it all day. I didn't want to make
Crap
have
your
a
day out.
bad day. Yeah, crap my day out. I was like, it's okay. I believe.
Come back, baby. What is going on? Well, let's talk about it. BTC. Okay, we'll talk about it right now. BTC dropped from 95,740 this morning when we all woke up. We opened our eyes. All the way down to all the way down to 90,000. Was it 700 or 90,400 at an all-time low? And right now we're trying to trend back up at 92,540, but it has been crazy. Is it, let's talk about it. Is it, I feel like the internet losing its, people are saying it's Binance manipulation. That's what I heard all morning. Market manipulation, or did someone just forget to pay their Wi-Fi,
Yeah.
and accidentally rug the entire market? What do you think? I mean, is it crazy?
It's been Binance definitely manipulate. Well, they have trackers.
Well,
People watch everything, and they've been watching Binance and the moves they've been making and the positions they got. 110 billion worth of positions, mainly long, hitting long traders.
Guys, huh?
Yeah,
Yep.
which that's a whole lot of people call margin called into oblivion today. I feel bad. I wasn't doing anything today trading. I was just relaxing, trying to get back in the flow. Still a little tired from the drive, but
I can imagine. What is it, 14 hours? Well, let me tell you, I woke up this morning feeling like my portfolio got hit by a semi truck. I went to drive the kids to school, and I'm like, what is happening right now? I was on the way to school, and I was losing my mind. And let me tell you, if you felt that way too, you guys weren't alone. X is full of people, traders, everyone talking and going crazy, people getting liquidated. I mean, I actually woke up this morning. I had a couple trades I put in. I was pumped up. I'm like, okay, these look like good trades. And then I said, let me get on the road. And by the time I got back, when my phone started giving me notifications of drops, it's already way too late, right? And people were saying specifically protected BNB while wrecking all the rest of the altcoins. So people were thinking it was Binance, but there's some. I guess Binance came out and showed that they didn't do it. So it's like I don't know. We'll talk about that. So did Binance really dump its reserves? That's the real question, right? The ones got people heated. X posts have been saying basically Binance sold 99% of its Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, supposedly to fund legal battles or manipulate prices.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what they've been saying. They claim they didn't sell anything, but just shuffled their treasury around. And actually, their USDC holdings, their dollars coin, the dollar coin, basically jumped by 57%, which could mean they just moved assets to the stable coins instead of dumping on them.
So was it actually a Binance rug or just Twitter doing what Twitter does? I mean, who knows? These guys, it's crazy. Making everything sound like it's the end of the world. I mean, it is, and I felt like the same thing last week on Friday with the stock market, right?
Yeah, it wasn't just crypto taking a hit. The S&P 500 lost 90 billion a few days ago.
Right?
Yeah.
Yep.
900 billion, sorry. And then the customer confidence just dropped 10%, which means people are scared again.
Oh, of course. You've seen what's insane is fear and greed was at an all-time low, but we're still at 92,000. Think about that for a second.
Fear Greed is
Fear and Greed's at an
29.
all-time low, but we're trading at $92,000.
That's I was like, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, what?
How can that be? How can we be trading at $92,000 and Fear and Greed be? But let's hold on. Sorry, I got this little dog. You coming or going? In the background. Let's look at the chart real quick too. We'll bring the chart in. Present. There. I'm bringing the chart up to the stage, and we will go with the Bitcoin chart first. Really, where I was noticing the big punch in the morning was Solana. Solana has been getting crushed, right? Even last night, Solana dropped all the way down to 137. Did you see that today?
Yeah, I saw it. I was living it.
I lived it, right?
I was living it.
Wow.
I was at the next major level is 133. Like if it drops that, it's getting 120 easily, according to crypto traders. That was a huge point at 133, but it didn't hit that today. But it's just crazy how it was.
It was definitely low. I mean, it was pushing down. Like right now, we're starting to trend back downward. I know when the China market wakes up or the Asian market gets up, it usually the WUG follows them also. So right now it's sitting at 92.2. But if you can look just back here, and this is on the 1 minute chart. I mean, this is where some severe dips here. Look at this. This is just insane. If you watch this, I lived all this. I mean, but I actually had eye surgery today, so I didn't really get to look at the charts. I didn't know what was going on, but a lot of it was from the market getting spooked off the tariffs again, right? And I know Trump announced that he is moving forward with the tariffs on Mexico and on Canada. Do you hear that?
Yep.
So that could be some of it too. I mean, I know that has an effect. I mean, look, at last time he brought the tariffs up, look what happened. This is like deja vu. You know what I mean? So, I mean, I guess if you were playing some shorts, those guys you won today, right? If you're in the short game, and you definitely made some money. Market, there was, like I said, market manipulation theories. Some guys I was here on X, market maker. What do they call them? Wintermute.
Yeah.
We're playing chess while the rest of us are playing checkers, basically, right?
Yeah, exactly.
They were staking out leverage traders so they could scoop up cheap crypto. I mean, how much did you see? I saw a chart earlier of how much leverage actually got wrecked. I mean, this is insane. It was billions, and it's even Bybit. What they said, Bybit. How Bybit had the big hack. They picked up 426 million today on wrecked leverage.
Yeah, and the good
don't
thing
feel
is,
sorry for those guys. I mean, they don't feel sorry for them. Let me tell you, they definitely are. They're definitely getting there, and they could be part of this market manipulation, right? They need to get their money back.
That was our theory.
I mean, who knows?
That was our theory that it could have been an inside job on Friday because, again, they're the one. It just trampled down to like, oh, but the good thing is, Bybit is they claim that they're back to normal.
They're solvent. Well, they had the money.
Yep. Yeah, they had the money. They did audit.
What's that?
They did audit.
Oh. No, what's insane is if that same thing would have happened to the bank, if the same kind of hack would have happened to B of A, you would not be able to get your money out. So I'm telling you right now, the fact that you were able to get your funds out same day, that shows a lot for the crypto world, right? This crypto is a lot more stable than actually for your funds, I believe, even in the banking world, right? Because you got to remember the banks live on like 10% of the money. So if they actually had their money still, they would not be able to give you your money back.
No.
They do not have a 1-for-1 kind of deal.
It's not 10% anymore.
Yeah. So anyway, Wintermute's CEO denied it, but let's get real. If someone asked you if you just stole 110 billion, what would you say? Yeah.
No. Yeah. No. Of course. Yeah.
I did it. I got you.
Yeah.
It's like that one kid. I got you, and I shot myself.
Yeah. Exactly.
Right. Yeah. Right. You know what I mean? I'm telling you, I think that kid had a death wish, right?
Yeah, so let's see what the pig's doing today. What the pig feels like.
Let's go. We're gonna move to the pig camp. Boom. Oh, I don't see is the pig there?
I don't see her.
Well, let me tell you, the pig could be on a runner. Maybe she's on a pig run. I think they're eating. So I think the pig is actually live and in the mix in the kitchen right now. So we'll go back to the pig cam. But I would tell you, I can tell you what the pig was doing most of the day. Absolutely nothing. Rolling around, chilling.
She was DCAing. She was DCAing.
Yeah, that pig was. Hey, let me tell you, you can take a lesson from the pig, right? The best moves to do in crypto sometimes is do what Lulu does: sit back, eat, and let the market do its thing.
Take a nap. Take a nap.
You're like this. Hey, you got a grape? I'm like, hey, we're crashing. Give me a red grape then. I'll take a red one.
Yeah, give me a red grape.
Yeah. Let me tell you, I was panicking and she was not. So that's all good. But let's look at that Solana chart actually while we're sitting here, real quick. I want to bring that up because the Solana chart was pretty crazy today. And like you said, I do see the 120 right now. We are pushing that 138. This is Solana. So Solana is trading exactly at 138 even, which is really crazy. But you can see this dip. And this dip has been going on for a couple days. But it did hit, just so you know, Christian, the low for today was 137.13, and we're about to hit it again. And I could call that a double bottom, actually. Hold on.
Yeah, it's on 138 right now. But yeah, the 133 is a major resistance.
Oh, so we just broke out. We just broke through that double bottom. So there went that. Sorry. Hold on one second, everybody.
He's taking a look.
Yeah. Hold on. Okay, I'm just trying something real quick. We'll see. I'm either gonna get I'll get washed like the rest of them. Let's get back to what we're doing. Okay. So let me ask you a question. What didn't Binance sell today, despite the rumors? They basically didn't sell their BNB token because somehow BNB is safe.
Yeah. I figured that was like the last thing they ever touch.
Yeah, they didn't sell their BNB token. They didn't sell the user funds because everyone's funds still in there. Instead of dumping assets, they converted everything basically into a ton of stable coins.
Yes.
So some of their reserves still remain. They still have a little bit of BTC, some ETH, and some SOL and USDT, just in a lot smaller amounts. Right. So let me ask you this: could you trade live on Binance right now? So if I wanted to pick up some, I don't know, what do they got on there? Chill Guy, for instance, right? Could I get it on spot?
Yeah.
Probably. I'm sure, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, final take. So what do you think, Christian? Was this a Binance-led liquidation, or just normal? I
think it was just
everything.
Everything. You got Pump Fun. You got all these meme coins dropping.
I think that's had a lot of effect on
Solana. A lot of effect, and then the hack, and then also there's a token unlock for Solana in March.
I know that's March 1st, right? We talked about that the other day.
March. Yep. So March 1st,
token unlock's coming.
It just.
I think it was a perfect storm. We just really today was just a big kick in the nuts. So all I can say is one thing. Hey, all I can say is one thing. The macronomics did not help. It didn't help. And Twitter fueled the panic. So, when X starts going crazy, people start panicking. And guess what happens? People start dumping.
But
so, I don't know.
This side,
all I think is this is just going to be another shakeup before the next move up. Maybe there's more to come. Either way, we'll be here watching closely. We'll keep you in the loop. What do you think? Was this another dip or something bigger? Is something bigger brewing? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget, subscribe us, hit the bell so never miss another episode of our Crypto Gurus Crypto Garage. And we're gonna keep it real for you. So see you on the next one.
Have a great day.
Hey, did the pig ever come back? No.
No.
Have a great night.